Smart pointers to give your affiliate marketing business an edge. There is quite a bit of money to make through affiliate marketing, but you must first learn valuable information to help you in your venture. There are several tips that should be applied to a successful marketing plan, and many of them have been included in this very informative video. When creating an affiliate marketing program for your products, encourage deep linking. You want links on your affiliates' pages to go directly to the product page for the item they're recommending. The more clicks it takes the reader to reach the product, the less likely it is that they will convert. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, hold out for a product with a generous commission, somewhere between 20 to 50% of the profit after sale. Companies who offer such commissions understand the importance of the new customers that you will refer to them, and will pay you accordingly. Nothing seems to sell a product quite as well as scarcity. When a customer believes he or she only has a few minutes to get the product at the list price before the deal is no longer available, they're over 3 times as likely to act. Use this technique in your affiliate marketing and make sure you instill a sense of urgency in customers. To make money through your affiliate marketing efforts, you should check out the homepage of the product, and make sure that it is well written and sales driven. Does it make you want to buy the product? If you are sending the page hits, you need to make sure that they are clicking through and making a purchase. Apply the tips and the information that you have read in this video to your marketing plan, and you are sure to see your plan come together nicely. A great plan is going to make it much easier for you to make a success of your affiliate marketing business venture. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.